Yo. What is up guys? It's Colchis right here, and we are back for another video. This video is a start of my new series called 50 Battle Royale Tips and Tricks. This is basically some tips and tricks I knew when I'm playing Battle Royale, and I wanna share it with you. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications, and let's hop into the video. First, you need to have a snowboard and a armor. You need to find another armor for the extra one. Take note, this armor you're carrying will take one of your bag storage. To make this happen, swap your existing or used armor to your snowboard. Then there you go, you can loot another armor. This can be helpful when your teammate died from a gunfight, so you can help him recover his loot faster, especially when he or she landed far away from you. As what they've said, having an armor is much important than having an adrenaline. When you are using ziplines, you just simply open your backpack, tap the adrenaline or medkit or hemostatic, then tap the use button. This is good when someone is following you and you are low on HP. This is also good when the zone is on you. This can save you time in healing also. This trick has two key points. First key point is the camera angle and joystick movement, and the second is activating the wingsuit by double tapping. You can perform this by jumping off and look about 40 to 50 degrees to the right. As you look to the left, drag your joystick to the left by 40 to 50 degrees. After you've done it all, double tap the jump button to activate its wingsuit. For much accurate and better view on the place where you want to land, use the I button. This is good when jumping through a building, especially when the other building is far away from it. This can be an advantage for the people who knows it, but a disadvantage to the people that doesn't know. This is just a simple trick to be performed. First, you need to on this on your settings. Go to settings, then go to basic. Tap the Brit mode. Scroll down a bit until you've seen the slide while running. And then simply tap the check button for the tap crouch while sprinting. You can simply tap the crouch button to slide, then the reload button. This is very good if you want to maintain a good mobility. If we compare this trick with tapping the reload button only, it has a big contrast on how good your movement in it. This trick is widely used by pro players and streamers on Garena Server like Blink Gaming, Paddy Gaming and etc. This is an important tip for you guys. This is very important, especially when you are first dropping to a buildings. Having an information on how many enemies you will be facing is such an advantage on winning gunfights. The eye icon can be also used to have an information if you are chased by the enemies or not. Because when you don't have the information, you can be easily killed through backstabbing.
everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'ma show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'ma show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one.
If you're new to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications. And tell me which tips and trick will I do next. For the question of the day, who's your favorite Call of Duty mobile battle royale player? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.